A very special candle indeed. A very special candle indeed. Amanzamnyama. Everybody knows that when we are talking of Amanzamnyama, we're talking of spirits or ancestor spirits that have derailed from their rightful channel. That needs to be helped to come back into being good guides for their family. Or those that have been messed up by witches or whosoever is doing evil to mix up your guides. So now, this one, Amanzamnyama Candle, when you are having problem with your home spirits, this one plays as an intermediary to bring together your spirits as in cleansing. Kwamadlozi, the spirits, needs to be cleansed sometime or to be channeled. So this candle come in to bring together your spirits which are at loggerheads with each other, messing up things in families. Amanzamnyama Candle is a floating candle. You light it when it floats in the water in a jar.